We've got a busted winch.
Not even budging. Oh, I got under it.
So we went to raise the dinghy and found out the tooth on this guy was busted. Couple teeth.
Couple teeth. Where'd the perk go? Little organization here. I'll show you the full piece in a second, but that's busted off the gear. Seizes up. Main Halyard winch.
So now we're trying to swap it out. Are you gonna swap just the gears or the whole winch?
Just the gears.
Oh wow. Yikes.
I'm like a dentist scraping plaque.
They match!
Go give that to Matt. Just careful to show him those pawls with the springs there.
Okay.
Like all we were doing was dealing with this.
Atlantic day 1! We took off. It is November 3rd, 8:30 in the morning. Pretty crazy. Bit of a stressful night, but we made it. I think we just needed to get off the dock.
Time told me you get no pleasure without pain, no love without heartbreak. Perspective, reflection, say. When we were young, forever seemed the longest time. To our naive tongues and the trust in our hope-filled eyes.
So you're setting waypoints for where we should enter and exit the Gulf Stream.
Yeah, like for the next 24 hours or so, you know.
And how far till we enter it?
37 miles. It says we should be out of it right now. It's showing us 16 hours. We'll be on the outside of the Gulf Stream. So right now it's 11 o'clock local.
2 a.m.
What's that?
Around 2 a.m. 16 hours.
16 hours. Yeah, like 2, 3 in the morning. We might get in there a hair early. And like everything I was looking at today, looked like the forecast would be like, you know, it might be a few knots stronger on the wind, which means, you know, there might be some larger residual seas in there, but the wind was more north versus like the later we go into the night, it starts going more northeast. And I think I would rather be in there with slightly larger seas, and maybe a little more wind, but like really be on a broad reach going through it than having to start at point.
And when I die, when I'm dead and gone, turn to the dust and dirt where I belong. Pray my love will linger on. Pray my love will linger on. For all my days, for all my days. Now that I've got your love, I won't let it go to waste. For all my days, for all my days, I pray my life won't go to waste. Every time I meet my resting. And hearts like these, oh, and love like this, the stars line in the sky you sing. The love of mine, oh, stay the night. As long as the love is left in your eyes. It's for the love in your heart. 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 It's for the love in your heart.
to the Gulf Stream. It's like a highway. You can see like the contour lines, like right where we hit it. And the water temp is now a sultry. Oh, depth is gone. We'll probably never see the bottom again.
Really?
Yeah, it's like over 1,000 feet now. 83.3 degrees. When we left, it was 69.
It's like sailing a Sheboygan.
Oh yeah. Off stream. So far so good. Got my Mahi. Every kind of ginger. This is the best drug we could find. Got like 1 hour left in my shift. I'm exhausted. Yeah, we're cruising. Going like 5 knots. Kind of wavy at first, but it's good. There's big something out there, but can't see anything, so we'll just keep chugging. Alright, shut the flip side.
Get some coffee. For Matt. No, I'll come get it. How's it going up there, Matthew? Good.
Where are we?
We just cleared the Gulf Stream last night. That was a big deal. Now we're kind of fighting some headwinds, but doing well.
Atlantic, day 2.
Excuse me?
Motor in to recharge the batteries. And to cool the fridge. No motor for like about an hour. That'll get the fridge really cold and should get the batteries back up to 100%.
Stand up there. How could this accident been prevented?
Your first day out, is it?
Actually,
Yeah, it was pretty rough in the Gulf Stream. Cross there was
it's rough, but compared to the
yeah.
round, yes. And having that helps.
You're going fast. Just walk up there.
What'd you think?
I thought it was good. I just couldn't believe the definition of eerily. You know, the line on the west side of the Gulf Stream, how pronounced it was. Remember, it was like the temperature went from like 75 degrees to like 85 degrees in a matter of like 10 minutes. clouds.
Yeah.
And you can see the clouds, the sky kind of outlining it. And then the current was like 3.5 knots is what we're doing.
Like instantly.
Instantly for the most part. And the waves like quadrupled in size. Like thankfully that only lasted for about a half an hour and then it kind of seemed to melt out, but like it was pretty big for a bit there. A lot of energy.
How far do we have to go?
Well, it says 1,132 miles if we do it in a perfect shot, but I think there'll be a little more zigzagging.
243 hours. 254 hours.
Oh, 206 or 30.
Oh, I like 230.
That's 10 days. Kept doing this, we'd be there in 10 days. That's a long ways.
What do you got?
It looks nuts. You see him flashing back there? He's like aqua blue. Hope it's not a mermaid.
Oh yeah.
You see the color of him?
Oh, it's a Mahi.
Is it really?
Mahi. Little Mahi.
Got a feeling and I'm gonna
That's how
feel
blue
it
they
out.
are?
You got me shaking up and moving around. From the birches to
Holy
the
cow!
blacktop. We want it all, we want it all. From the first sip to the last drop. We want it all, we want it all.
He looks like a mermaid.
Don't stop.
Oh man, what have we been saving? Yeah.
Movie night.
Yes.
How much more of this?
I like 10 more days. I like your nuts, Matt.
That's from Jet and Molly as Josh.
Yeah, thanks guys. Thanks, Kubo Clan.
Give me